guys. I want you to look. It's come a blizzard where Lemonette lives. Look at all the ice and snow. Oh my goodness. Oh, look. I'm under feet of snow. Oh my God, I've never seen so much snow and ice and all my light. Oh. It's just frost on my windows of my car. How silly. Sorry, I didn't mean to alarm you guys. Love yous.